In our everyday life, all around us, we see some things which are identical to each other, or we may say that these things are similar things. Also, there are many things which are not similar. We may call them dissimilar things. We have a similar concept in algebra. We have something called like terms. What are like terms? The terms which have the same algebraic part are called the like terms. So, same algebraic part. Now look at these terms. 10x and x. What is the algebraic part of 10x? X. What is the algebraic part of x? X. So these two have the same algebraic part. So these can be called like terms. So 10x and x are like terms. Now what about 10x and 10y? 10x have the algebraic part as x. 10y has algebraic part y. These two do not have the same algebraic part. So 10x and 10y are not like terms, although they have the same numerical part. The numerical part of 10x and 10y is 10, although they have the same numerical part, but since they do not have the same algebraic part, we say that these are not like terms. What about 10x and 10? 10x has algebraic part x, 10 has no algebraic part, so we say that these are not like terms. So in these four terms, only 10x and x are the like terms. If we have something called like terms, we should have something called unlike terms. And what are unlike terms? Anything which is not like is unlike. So in this case, we saw that 10x and 10y are not like terms. So we say that this and this are unlike terms. Similarly, 10x and 10 are not like terms. So we say that 10x and 10 are unlike terms. So the terms having the same algebraic part are the like terms, and the terms having different algebraic parts are unlike terms. Now, -9 p square QR. This is a term. Now, which of these terms is a like term of this term? Let us see. -9 PQR. We see that these two have the same numerical part. But we are not concerned about numerical part. We are concerned about the algebraic part. So let us check their algebraic part. It has p square QR. It has PQR. So here we have a p square. Here we have p. So the algebraic part of these two terms are different. So it is not a like term of this term. Because PQR and here we have p square QR. So although the variables are the same, but then p is multiplied twice here. What about this term? P square Q is not the same as p square QR. So again, it is not a like term. Q p square R. Now we have a Q here, we have a Q here, we have p square here, we have p square here, we have R here, we have R here. So it completely matches this term. In fact, we can write it as p square QR. So this is a like term. What about this? 2RQP square. We have R here, we have R here. Q, we have Q here. We have p square here, we have p square here. So again, the algebraic part of this and this match. So this is a like term. What about this? We have p square here, we have p square here. We have a q square here, but here we have q. So it does not match. So this is not a like term. So these two terms are the like terms of this term. In fact, these two terms are also like terms. So Like terms are the terms which have the same algebraic part, and unlike terms are the terms which have different algebraic parts.